What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I looked at SoFi last week, Friday, I believe, and you can see that price has somewhat bottomed around this previous low back here in October. So we can move this red line down. So you can see there's some type of double bottom going on right here. So again, SoFi is really not trying to reach that measuring target lower at the low fives. That's where the gap is. That's what this red circle represents. There's a gap over here, and then that's where the measurement target is. So SoFi is headed in that direction, but it's not really trying to get there because look at the bulls are, still defending these lower levels, and you can see the price is barely making lower lows, lower highs. So again, it's not a strong downtrend. So again, if we continue moving up higher, this would show a failure to reach the measurement target. Measurement targets aren't always met. You can see that it started back over here. This was the first attempt by the bears to reach the target that failed. This was the second attempt that failed, and this is the third attempt. So usually the third attempt or the second attempt of the second attempt, they usually come in pairs. If the measurement target isn't met by then, usually there's a good chance of seeing a strong reversal take place. So SoFi looks pretty good to the upside. Let's see if we can break this trend line first, right here at the high sevens and then the low eights. That's where this resistance is. So if we can break those two levels and hold it as support, I think we have a good chance for higher prices. Either we don't pull back and we just continue rocking it up. That could be another situation. But either way, if we see continued upside, I think this looks very promising for SoFi Technologies. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows, like I said before, price is still within this yellow range, which is not a good sign. You can see that it's been acting as resistance when price came back inside of it, and price is still below this trend line and below the EMA on the weekly chart. So again, still bearish signs. I wouldn't say we're going to be seeing a rally take place right now. I'm saying it's looking like it wants to because it's barely trying to go lower. So let's see what happens to SoFi. I think in the short term we could continue to see this rally take place. If we can break through that $8 level, I think that's a good opportunity for price to continue rallying out of there. So let's see what happens. This could be very good for SoFi Technologies. If not, we might just see some resistance around these price levels right over here for more downside. And then that's where my target is still in play, right at that measuring target at the mid fives, low fives. But either way, this is looking pretty promising. Let's see what happens at the end of the day. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.